We're going to move on to the abdominal assessment. I'm just going to take your drape here. I'm going to assess your abdomen for symmetry. It's symmetrical. There are no aortic pulsations, no dilated veins, no peristalsis noted, no umbilical hernias. It's symmetrical. Do you have any abdominal pain?
No.
I'm going to auscultate, listening for bowel sounds. There are bowel sounds in all four quadrants. I'm going to auscultate your aorta for any bruits, as well as your renal arteries, iliac, femoral. No bruits were noted. Next, I'm going to percuss your abdomen in the 9 quadrants. Noting the dullness over the suprapubic area and the epigastric bubble. I'm also going to percuss your liver border. Alright, the liver border is approximately 8 centimeters, which is normal. Next, I'm going to have you lay on your right side. I'm going to percuss the mid-axillary line for your spleen. Assessing for any splenomegaly. Also going to attempt to palpate the spleen. The spleen's not palpable. Let me go ahead and lay back down. Just going to do some light palpation. Do you have any pain or tenderness?
No.
Do some deep palpation. You can take a deep breath in and then exhale. Assessing for any masses or tenderness. No masses are noted. I'm also going to palpate your liver. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Okay. Liver border's palpable. I'll percuss your kidneys or palpate. They're not enlarged. There are no masses or nodules noted. From here, I'm going to palpate for any inflamed inguinal nodes. They're not inflamed. I'm going to also do the scratch test. Alright, it's positive. There were abdominal retractions towards the umbilicus. From here, I'm going to assess for a couple of points. I'm going to assess for Murphy's. I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and out. Do you have any pain there?
No.
I was checking for cholecystitis. I'm going to check McBurney's. Do you have any pain on the right side? I'm also going to check for rebound tenderness. Any tenderness there?
No.
Okay. I'm also going to check for Brzezinski's meningococcal sign. I'm going to flex your head forward. Do you have any pain in your spine or your legs?
No.
Okay. The next, I'm going to do the Kernick sign. I'm going to have you lift one knee to 90 degrees, and I'm going to lift this leg up. Do you have any pain in your neck or legs?
No.
I'm going to do the other side here. How about that?
No.
All right. Kernick side was negative. From here, I'm going to have you stand up. I'm just going to assess your skin, your muscle distribution for any atrophy. No atrophy, muscles well distributed. No ecchymosis or bruising. Alignment is symmetrical. I'm going to palpate your spine for some scoliosis. Spine is midline and equal bilaterally. Next, we're going to go into some range of motion. We're going to do some flexion, extension, and then twisting side to side, and then laterally. Good. We're going to do the same with the head. Back, forth, side, side, and then twisting. Do you have any pain with those movements?
No.
Okay. We're going to do some flexion and extension, and then the scratch test, which is abduction, adduction, internal and external rotation. Do you have any pain with those movements?
No.
Okay. We're going to move on to the next part of the assessment. You can go ahead and lay down. We're going to go into range of motion. I'm going to assess the range of motion in your hips. Going to do some abduction, adduction, internal and external rotation, as well as flexion and extension. Do the same over here. Adduction, adduction, internal and external rotation, as well as flexion. And can you bend your knees? And then flex your toes back and forth. Good, okay. Then you can go ahead and sit up here. I'm going to assess for some muscle strengths. If you could put your hand here and push up. Here. And don't let me pull. Don't let me push. Good. And can you press up and down, down, out, and in. And don't let me pull. Can you push and push and toes up and down? Good. I'm also going to assess your grip strength here. Strong and equal bilaterally. I'm going to check your reflexes. I'm going to check your tricep reflex. Just let it hang limp here. Brachiodalis. Bicep. Do the same over here. Bicep. Patellar. Achilles. Good. You had +5 strength in all extremities and positive reflexes. Next, we're going to do some cerebellar movements. Hands like this, fast as you can. All right. And then also your knee, heel, and back down, both sides. All right. And then from here, I'm going to have you do a heel to toe walk. All right. And then on your tippy toes and your heels. All right. That concludes our assessment. Thank you.
Thank you.